Hey guys, yeah, it's been a bit since I've uploaded, maybe something around 6 months, and like a lot has changed. So, real quick, I'm gonna walk you guys through what's changed. So, February 25th, last day I was seen, right? Yup, so yeah, and this is all live, so I'm bad. Alright, so between this day and this day, I was playing Ark Survival Evolved because it's really fun. And then I decided to make Ark Survival Evolved, so I started in Unity on June 5th. Alright, yeah, and I got a decent way into it, but then I like between here it was all development in Unity, and then came terrain. So if you don't know, like, it's good to have terrain that automatically puts grass on the top and then like dirt on the sides, but I couldn't figure out how to do that in Unity. So what better than to switch engines? So July 26th, I started moving my project to guess what engine I'm using, to Unreal. Yep, Unreal Engine. You know, I probably should have started in Unreal Engine because, well, Ark Survival Evolved is made in Unreal Engine, so it would have made sense, but at the time I didn't know. So yeah, I spent like 2 weeks before this learning Unreal, and then I started making the game in Unreal, and then from then till today I've been doing development for about 3 months, I think. Or no, hold up. This is like 3 months, I think. So yeah, and then so I've been working on the game for a total of 3 months, and then this was like 1.5 months, kind of, and then this has been the rest, other half, but it's been more than a half. Well, actually, yeah, it's kind of been a half a month. So yeah, and I haven't been able to get as far as I was able to in Unity, but that's because it's a new engine, but I've definitely improved on some aspects of the game, like the inventory, and I got the terrain to work with like the auto generating the grass on top and dirt on the sides. So yeah, so this is the professionally made, um, what would you call this? I don't know, but this timeline is perfectly balanced, scaled, everything, and yeah. Alright, so this is the game inside of Unreal Engine. This is how far I've gotten, so as you can see, the beautiful terrain, definitely not wrong at all. You've got these items that you can not pick up, or yeah, you can pick up, yeah, and then that goes to your inventory, and then you can equip it and consume it. And as you can see, my UI needs a bit of work. Like this inventory, this is just made using Unreal stuff, like basic assets, and then my stats, the left one is my health, the middle is my stamina, and then the right one is the food. I haven't actually made the icons for the stamina and food yet because it's super hard. Yeah. And then as you can see, like, you've got slots and the hotbar. You can drag and drop, and then you can split. Yeah, and then it auto like goes to the first slot that has the thing. And then yeah, like, this is just a little test scene, but in case you guys are wondering, we'll get to the creatures later. But this, I haven't made a like asset for it yet. This is just a cube, but this is a structure, and this just has slots and stuff. It's pretty much just another inventory, but this saves, my character saves, inventory save, and these creatures save, but only if they're set to save. So structures are always set to save, and then creatures are only saved when they're tamed. So that's level 52. These are all randomly generated, and then you can knock them out, but like, it's not that easy. I just have like my damage really high, but once they're knocked out, you can access their inventory, and then you can put food inside of the inventory to tame them as is normal in Ark. And then they eat like every 30 seconds, and see, the orange bar goes up whenever they eat, and he ate one berry, so his taming bar went up. And yeah, they wander around, and then and then you can, okay, that's supposed to be a vegetable icon, but like, I haven't made that either, or I don't think I've made it. But yeah, everything's controlled by data tables, so yeah. I know this is a very good explanation. It's supposed to stop when it gets knocked, but it's still a work in progress. So through the data tables, you can set what they prefer. So this prefers berries, like the parasaur, so it'll eat this first before this, even if this is first. I really hope that works. But yeah, see, it ate the berry first, and then it hasn't ate that yet. But yeah, okay, this is a very good explanation, and thank you for watching.